Here is a more detailed and expanded pharmacology drug study on Milrinone, suitable for nursing medical assignments, case presentations, or drug study records. Detailed drug study. 1. Generic name, drug class, brand name, drug forms. Generic name, Milrinone, drug class, phosphodiesterase 3 PDE3 inhibitor, inotropic vasodilator, cardiovascular agent. Brand name, Primacor. Drug forms available, intravenous injection, IV bolus, intravenous infusion solution, supplied in vials, usually 1 milligrams per milliliter concentration. Route of administration, intravenous only, hospital administration. Definition. Milrinone is a synthetic phosphodiesterase 3 inhibitor used as a cardiotonic agent that increases the strength of cardiac contraction and dilates blood vessels. It is mainly used for short-term management of acute heart failure in hospitalized patients, especially when the heart cannot pump enough blood to meet the body's needs. Milrinone improves cardiac output, myocardial contractility, peripheral blood circulation. 3. Mechanism of action. Milrinone works by selectively inhibiting the enzyme phosphodiesterase type 3 PDE3 in cardiac muscle and vascular smooth muscle. Step-by-step mechanism. 1. Inhibition of PDE3 enzyme. Normally, PDE3 breaks down cyclic adenosine monophosphate, CAMP. 2. Increase in CAMP levels. Milrinone prevents the breakdown of CAMP. 3. Increase intracellular calcium in cardiac cells. Elevated CAMP increases calcium influx. 4. Stronger myocardial contraction. This produces a positive inotropic effect. 5. Relaxation of vascular smooth muscle. Causes vasodilation. Final effects: increased cardiac contractility, increased cardiac output, reduced preload, reduced afterload, reduced pulmonary vascular resistance, improved tissue perfusion. Because it has both inotropic and vasodilatory effects, Milrinone is often called an inodilator. 4. Pharmacokinetics. Absorption, not absorbed orally, administered intravenously. Distribution. Distributed widely in body tissues. Plasma protein binding, 70%. Volume of distribution, 0.38 to 0.45 per kilogram. Metabolism. Minimal hepatic metabolism. Elimination. Primarily renal excretion, around 90% excreted unchanged in urine. Half-life, approximately 2 to 3 hours, may increase in renal impairment. Clearance, decreased in patients with kidney dysfunction. 5. Uses. Milrinone is used in the treatment of 1. Acute decompensated heart failure. 2. Severe congestive heart failure. 3. Low cardiac output syndrome. 4. Post-cardiac surgery heart failure. 5. Cardiogenic shock. 6. Pulmonary hypertension in some cases. 6. Indications. Milrinone is indicated for short-term intravenous therapy in hospitalized patients with severe congestive heart failure, left ventricular dysfunction, reduced cardiac output, patients not responding to conventional therapy such as diuretics, vasodilators, ACE inhibitors, patients requiring inotropic support. 7. Contraindications. Milrinone should not be used in the following conditions. 1. Hypersensitivity to Milrinone. 2. Severe aortic valve stenosis. 3. Pulmonary valve stenosis. 4. Hypertrophic obstructive cardiomyopathy. 5. Severe hypotension. 6. Severe uncontrolled arrhythmias. In these conditions, increasing contractility may worsen the patient's condition. 8. Before taking this medicine, precautions. Before administering Milrinone, the healthcare provider should evaluate medical history, kidney disease, heart rhythm disorders, low blood pressure, electrolyte imbalance, liver disease. Pregnancy and lactation. Use only if benefits outweigh risks. Limited data in pregnancy. Special populations, elderly patients. Increased sensitivity, required OS monitoring, renal impairment. Dose adjustment required. Monitoring during therapy, blood pressure, heart rate, ECG monitoring, electrolyte levels, platelet count, renal function, urine output. 9. How to use Milrinone should only be administered by trained healthcare professionals. Administration steps. 1. Given through intravenous line. 2. Loading dose administered slowly. 3. Continuous IV infusion started. 4. Patient monitored in ICU or cardiac care unit. Important notes. Infusion pump should be used. Monitor for hypotension and arrhythmias. Do not mix with incompatible drugs in same IV line. 10. Dosing information. Adult dose loading dose 50 mg kg IV over 10 minutes. Maintenance infusion 0.375 to 0.75 mg per min. Maximum dose usually 0.75 microgram kg min. Dose adjustment. In renal impairment, infusion rate should be reduced. Example, Creatinine clearance, recommended dose, CREN, 50 milliliter min, 0.43 microgram, 30 milliliter min, 0.33 microgram kg min, 0.23 microgram min. Number 11, missed dose and overdose. Missed dose, not applicable because Milrinone is administered in hospital settings. Overdose symptoms, severe hypotension, ventricular arrhythmias, tachycardia, dizziness, syncope. Management of overdose, stop infusion immediately, provide supportive treatment, monitor ECG and vital signs, correct electrolyte imbalance. Number 12, stop or avoid taking Milrinone should be stopped if severe hypotension develops, dangerous arrhythmias occur, severe thrombocytopenia, signs of drug intolerance, significant deterioration in kidney function. Number 13, side effects, common side effects, headache, nausea, vomiting, fever, hypotension. Moderate side effects, palpitations, dizziness, chest discomfort, tremors. Serious side effects, ventricular tachycardia, ventricular fibrillation, thrombocytopenia, severe hypotension, myocardial ischemia. Number 14, vital information, monitoring parameters. During therapy, the following should be monitored carefully. Vital signs, blood pressure, heart rate, respiratory rate, oxygen saturation, cardiac monitoring, continuous ECG, heart rhythm abnormalities, laboratory tests, serum electrolytes, platelet count, renal function tests, liver function tests, other monitoring, urine output, fluid balance, signs of hypotension. Number 15, other drugs that will affect Milrinone drug interactions may occur with furosemide, IV incompatibility, digoxin, dobutamine, nitroglycerin, captopril, and enalapril. Possible effects, increased hypotension, increased risk of arrhythmias, altered hemodynamic response. Number 16, drug comparison, drug class main effect, root, Milrinone, PDE3 inhibitor, inotropics vasodilator IV, dobutamine, beta-1 agonist, increases contractility, IV, digoxin, cardiac glycoside, increases contractility and slows HR, oral IV, dopamine catecholamine, increases BP and cardiac output IV. Milrinone differs because it improves heart function without significantly increasing heart rate. Number 17, patient teaching. Patient teaching isn't because Milrinone is a powerful heart medication used in hospitalized patients, usually in intensive care units. Patients and family members should understand the purpose of the drug and precautions during treatment. 1. Explain the purpose of the drug. Inform the patient that Milrinone is used to help the heart pump blood more effectively. It helps improve blood circulation and reduce the workload on the heart. It is usually given for short-term treatment of severe heart failure. 2. Method of administration. Explain that the medication is given through an intravenous IV infusion. The drug will be administered only by healthcare professionals in the hospital. The patient will be connected to monitoring equipment to check heart function and blood pressure. Importance of monitoring patients should understand that doctors and nurses will frequently monitor blood pressure, heart rate and rhythm, ECG, heart monitor, kidney function, electrolyte levels. This monitoring helps detect complications early and ensure the medicine is working safely. Symptoms to report immediately. Patients should inform the healthcare provider if they experience irregular heartbeat or palpitations, chest pain, severe dizziness or fainting, shortness of breath, sudden weakness, severe headache. These symptoms may indicate side effects or complications. 5. Safety precautions. Avoid sudden standing or quick position changes to prevent dizziness due to low blood pressure. Stay in bed or move slowly when getting up, as instructed by the nurse. Follow all hospital safety instructions. 6. Medication disclosure. Patients should tell the doctor about all current medications, any herbal supplements, any previous drug allergies, existing medical conditions such as kidney disease or arrhythmias. This helps prevent drug interactions. Diet and fluid advice. Patients may be advised to follow a low-sodium diet if prescribed. Follow fluid restrictions if recommended for heart failure. Maintain proper electrolyte balance. 8. Duration of treatment. Explain that Milrinone is usually used only for short-term treatment. Long-term management of heart failure will include other medications and lifestyle changes. 9. Follow-up care. After treatment, patients may need regular cardiac checkups, blood tests, monitoring of blood pressure and heart function. 10. Lifestyle education. Encourage patients to follow prescribed heart failure treatment plan, avoid smoking and alcohol, maintain a healthy diet and physical activity as advised by the doctor. If you want, I can also provide. Thank you. Have a nice day.